Hello everybody. The main obstacle which act as a hindrance in our growth that diminishes our ability to solve our problems is the lack of simple logic and reasoning power in most of us. Everybody around us tries to tell to be practical, but in actuality they are wanting us to become selfish, ignorant and short-sighted in our outlook. Such a myopic view is responsible for holding us back. With such an attitude, we will end up our uh, we will end up blaming our parents, family, friends, society, leaders, government, God, fate, and destiny for all the results that will come to our life. This is a really a wrong approach. So just give up this myopic view, myopic attitude towards your problems and take responsibility for your actions. Then only you will grow intellectually and become successful in handling your problems. With this, I will start today's work. The first word for today is obese. Obese. Obese means excessively fat. Example, it is advisable that obese people try to lose weight. If you do not hold your habit of overeating, you will end up becoming obese. Next word is obfuscate. Obfuscate. Obfuscate means confuse, muddle, drive crazy. Example, do not obfuscate the issues by dragging in irrelevant arguments. Next word is obituary. Obituary. Obituary is death notice. Obituaries are published in newspapers to make people know the death of a person. Example, I first learned of her death when I read the obituary in the newspaper. Every newspaper has a obituary space. Next word is objective. Objective. Objective means not influenced by emotions. Fair. Example, even though he was her son, she tried to be objective about his behavior. A judge should deal with every case in a objective way. Next word is objective. Objective. Objective here is used as a noun. As a noun, objective means goal, aim. Example, a degree in medicine was her ultimate objective. Next word is obligatory. Obligatory. Obligatory means binding, required, mandatory. Example, it is obligatory that books borrowed from the library be returned within 2 weeks. When somebody does a favor for you, you become obligated to him. You then have a obligatory attitudes toward that person. Next word is oblique. Oblique. Oblique means slanting at an angle. Deviating from the perpendicular or from a straight line is also called oblique. Example, the sergeant ordered the men to march oblique right, means move to the right at an angle. Next word is obliterate. Obliterate. Obliterate means destroy completely. Example, the tidal wave obliterated several island villages. They no more exist. Next word is oblivion. Oblivion. Oblivion means forgetfulness. Something that is forgotten is also called oblivion. Example, her work had fallen into a state of oblivion. No one bothered to read them. Many famous actors and actresses now have gone into a state of oblivion. Everybody have forgotten them. Next word is obloquy. Obloquy. Obloquy means disgrace, infamy, slander. Something said to defame somebody is called obloquy. Example, I resent the obloquy that you are casting upon my reputation. Next word is obnoxious. Obnoxious. Obnoxious means offensive. Example, I find your behavior obnoxious. Please mend your ways, otherwise you will pay for your attitude. Next word is obscure. Obscure. Obscure means unclear, doubtful, dark, vague. Example, even after I read the poem a fourth time, its meaning was still obscure. Your study of English vocabulary will make you comprehend obscure passages of the language. Next word is again obscure. Obscure. Obscure here is used as a verb. It means darken, make unclear. Example, at times he seemed purposely to obscure his meaning, preferring mystery to clarity. For example, when you read puzzles, some puzzles, every puzzle is made unclear because we want people to guess the correct meaning. Okay, so they are purposely made obscure. Next word is obsequious. Obsequious. Obsequious means slavishly attentive, servile, sycophantic. Sycophants are people who lick the foot of people above them. In a figurative way, it is used. In actuality, nobody licks the boot of someone. Example, Helen valued people who behaved as if they respected themselves. Nothing irritated her more than an excessively obsequious waiter or a fawning sales clerk. Next word is obsequy. Obsequy. Obsequy means funeral ceremony. Funeral ceremony. Example, hundreds paid their last respects at his obsequies. Whenever a famous political leader dies, thousands of people gather to pay their last respects at the obsequy. Next word is obsession. Obsession. Obsession means fixed idea, an idea that dominates your mind. Continued brooding is also called obsession. Example, this obsession with the supernatural has made him unpopular with his neighbors. Next word is obsidian. Obsidian. Obsidian means black volcanic rock. It is a noun. Example, the deposits of obsidian on the mountain slopes were an indication that volcano had erupted in ancient times. Next word is obsolete. Obsolete. Obsolete means outmoded, something which is outdated. Example, hip is an obsolete expression. It went out with love beads and tie-dye shirts. Watches, hand watches have now become obsolete. Very few people still wear them. Most people see time on mobile phones. Next word is obstetrician. Obstetrician. Obstetrician is a physician who specializes in delivery of babies. In modern times, for childbirth, people rely more on obstetricians than midwives. Example, unlike midwives who care for women giving birth at home, obstetricians generally work in a hospital setting. Next word is obstinate. Obstinate. Obstinate means stubborn. Stubborn means someone who is blind adherent of something without seeing the consequences that may come later. Example, we tried to persuade him to give up smoking, but he was obstinate and refused to change. Many young boys are obstinate in their attitude when they are youth. Next word is obstreperous. Obstreperous. Obstreperous means noisy, boisterous. Example, the crowd became obstreperous and shouted their disapproval of the proposals made by the speaker. The obstreperous surrounding made it difficult to clearly hear what she is saying. Next word is obtrusive. Obtrusive. Obtrusive means pushing forward. Example, I found her a very obtrusive person, constantly seeking the center of the stage. Next word is obtuse. Obtuse, Obtuse. Obtuse means blunt, stupid. Obtuse is also used in geometry for angles greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So obtuse in literary sense means stupid. Example, because he was so obtuse, he could not follow the teacher's reasoning and asked foolish questions. Next word is obviate. Obviate. Obviate means get rid of, make unnecessary. Example, I hope this contribution will obviate any need for further collections of funds. Next word is Occident. Occident. Occident means the West. Example, it will take Occident to understand the ways and customs of the Orient. Actually, in worldly sense, whatever traditions are followed in the West are called Occidental cultures or Occidental traditions, and the things that come from eastern part of the world are called Oriental traditions or Oriental cultures. Next word is occlude. Occlude. Occlude means close, shut. Example, the blood clot occluded an artery to the heart. Next word is occult. Occult. Occult means secret, mysterious, supernatural. The occult rites of the organization were revealed only to members. Orient cultures have occult practices in their religious rituals. Next word is oculist. Oculist. Oculist is a physician who specialized in treatment of the eyes. Example, in many states, an oculist is the only one who may apply medicinal drops to the eyes for the purpose of examining them. Next word is odious. Odious. Odious means hateful. Example, I find the task of punishing you most odious. Next word is odium. Odium. Odium means dislike. Repugnance. Example, I cannot express the odium I feel at your heinous actions. Next word is odoriferous. Odoriferous. Odoriferous means giving off an odor. Example, the odoriferous species stimulated her jaded spices stimulated her jaded appetite. Odoriferous spices stimulated her jaded appetite. Okay. Once you eat something to excess, you then have a jaded appetite. You cannot eat anymore. Next word is odorous. Odorous. Odorous means having an odor. Example, the variety of hybrid tea rose is more odorous than the one you have in your garden. Many people have flower gardens in front of their homes because they create odorous atmosphere. Next word is Odyssey. Odyssey. Odyssey means eventful journey, long eventful journey. Example, the refugees' journey from Cambodia was a terrifying odyssey. Next word is offensive. Offensive. Offensive means attacking, insulting, distasteful. Example, getting into street brawls is no minor offense for professional boxers who are required by law to restrict their offensive impulses to the ring only. Next word is offhand. Offhand. Offhand means casual, done without prior thought. Example, expecting to be treated with due propriety by her costs, Aunt Great Aunt Maud was offended by their offhand manner. Most students have poor grades because of their offhand attitude towards studies. Okay, so this was the last word for today. Thank you.